Hello? Aveno?
Hello, madam. I am Mr. Longido, the roof control officer from the district.
I've never heard of you before.
Trust me, it's a real job that you don't have to Google. Now, please, tell me about your roof sheets and don't leave out any details, eh?
These roof sheets are called Orientile from Uganda, Baati, and we've had them for quite a while. They come in many colors. For us, we chose this color. They are very wide. So we used less sheets, which saved us a lot of money.
Wonderful. We'll be reaching out to you with a report in a week, eh? Okay? Bye!
Crown your home with Orientile, the widest steel roof sheets in Uganda from Uganda Baati.
Engineer, Uganda Baati. Genjagala go!
Uganda Baati, Uganda's most trusted building solutions partner.